So how are you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So you are welcome to our Q&A special video. First of all, congratulations to everybody. We are very near to 2k subscribers. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So first of all, let's start our Q&A sessions. There were many questions, but it is very difficult to pick up all. So we have picked some special questions. So let's start our Q&A session. So first question is, how often does Snoopy takes bath, and does he likes to going to the vet? Yes, Snoopy takes a bath weekly and he does not like to go to the vet. So the next question is from Sadia Tasneem. Does Snoopy likes peanut butter? No, Snoopy does not like peanut butter. Do you watch movies with Snoopy? No, we don't watch movies with Snoopy. Can Snoopy drive a car? No, Snoopy cannot drive a car. Thank you and have a great day. Next question is from Beastie Gaming. When Snoopy was a baby, what does he eat? Snoopy's favorite family member. Sorry for edited comment. No problem, you can write as many as comments. So when Snoopy was a baby, he eats mainly Cerelac, and Snoopy's favorite family member was his dad. Next question is from BCA. Is Snoopy have any friend? Yes, Snoopy has many friends, including puppies and big dogs. And next question is from Divya Sharma. Where are you from? We are from India, and we are in India. There is a state Punjab. So next question is from Mandini Oja. From my small little baby Snoopy. Thank you so much. Do you love your subscribers? Yes, Snoopy loves his subscribers. Do you want a sibling? No, Snoopy doesn't have many siblings. What would you choose? Cat or a dog? He will choose a dog. Mike, next question is from Good Boy Hello. My Q&A are always quoted you. Well, should I support you even after 100 years? Yes, it would be very grateful if you support for 100 years. Thank you. Next question is from Fire Rager. My question is, Snoopy, will you eat vegetables? Yes, Snoopy will eat vegetables. Snoopy, who is your best friend? Snoopy's best friend is his father. Snoopy, will you brush your teeth? I think so, no. Snoopy does not like to brush his teeth. Lisa, it is easy to have dog. Yes, I think so. It is easy to have a dog. But care him well. Next question is from Joseph Munzit. My question is, what Snoopy like to do? Mainly Snoopy likes to sleep. As you can see that we are recording our video and Snoopy is sleeping. How many friends got Snoopy? Snoopy has many friends. Snoopy has a lot of puppies and big dogs. But Snoopy does not like cats. Cook with Seema. Hi, I am Krisha. What's your favorite breed other than Labrador? My favorite breed other than Labrador is German Shepherd. Next question is from Atriti Sharma. We have a pet Labrador. We called him Pluto. We love Pluto a lot. But sometime when we are not at home, hardly for 2 hours, he feels lonely. Whenever we go, we take Pluto along with us. But there are some places where we can't take Pluto, such as someone's house, because they may not welcome him from heart. Even they aren't my fault. Many people have dog phobia. Please tell me what you people do in kind of situation for our dear Snoopy. By the way, we are nuclear family. Please give us reply for Snoopy. First of all, there is no problem in our house because we have a joint family. If someone goes, there is many people who can take care of Snoopy. So we don't have this type of problem. Next question is from Sakshi Kapoor. How you handle his hair fall? I mean to say on beds, floors, bed sheets and on kitchen slabs. So to handle the hair fall, first of all we comb his hair daily and we give him a bath weekly with a hair fall shampoo. You can use many shampoos. I think we use mainly tick flea shampoo, which is good. From this the hair fall reduces. Next question is from Ela Fitz. Does Snoopy have any brother or sister? Yes, Snoopy has 3 brothers and 3 sisters. Next question is from Nope. Another question from me. When you go out for long durations like full day or more, what arrangements do you do for him if there is no one at home? So first of all, when we go somewhere out, there are many people in our house, 15 people in our house who can take care for Snoopy. So this problem has never arisen in our house. So the next question is from Hindu Rashtra Bharat. Wow Snoopy. Who is most attached to Snoopy in the family? I think so, I am. And next question is, and whom is Snoopy most attached to in the family? He is most attached to his father. Next question is from Beena Yadav. My question are, what Snoopy eats? Mainly Snoopy eats curd, chapatis, pulses, and etc. And how do you brought Snoopy and when? We brought Snoopy from someone near Punjab, and he was brought in the house on Holi festival, which date was I think so 11th March 2017. Last question is from The Rave. My question is, how and when did you meet Snoopy? We meet Snoopy from someone, we have contact to a buyer and we have bought from someone. And will he live on more than 10 years? Yes, if you support us well, he will live 20 years. Thank you for your support. The last, thank you so much. We have to end this Q&A session because the video will go very long. So don't be sad if your question is not answered. There will be many Q&As further. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our video. And you have seen we have answered too many questions that Snoopy has left. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our video. Okay, bye. Okay, bye from Snoopy.